Hello and welcome to this very quick video to answer a question that I got on one of my previous videos. The video was this review of these things here. These are the RadioMaster AG01 CNC Hall Effect metal gimbals. Now I've been using these since I did that review, and they are absolutely fantastic. Some of the nicest gimbals that I've used. They're absolutely not cheap, but then you get what you pay for with these kinds of things. However, it looks like lots of channels were shipped the same kind of stuff, and as well as the gimbals had these things here, these kind of bezels that sit in front of the gimbals, and there was lots of confusion around whether or not you had to fit them in order for the gimbals to fit into the radio. Now, the way that I installed my gimbals into my radio, I had to remove my coloured bezels here because the actual gimbal itself is the size of this circle. So unfortunately I had to take these out in order to fit them into my radio. So that is one way to do it. However, I can absolutely say that you don't need bezels at all. If you want to, you can actually install them like my friend has here. Hello to my flying buddy Adam, who let me take this photo. He got some in after seeing them and he's put them in his radio, and as you can see here, he hasn't used any bezels at all. In fact, I think I actually prefer this mounting method. The sticks are a little bit prouder, and also you don't have the same issue with if you have the very thick sticks not extended, then you can still get full travel in all direction. The bezel doesn't catch if you have the sticks kind of wound down because they are quite chunky. In the very corners they do limit movement. So that's the answer. No, you absolutely do not need to install the bezel. It's entirely up to you. Both are great options, and it really depends on how you want the radio to work. Me, now after seeing the way that my buddy has put them in, I'm tempted to pop the back of my radio and actually take out the bezels to raise the gimbal slightly, just to give me full movement of those sticks without having to do things like limit the vertical movement so I don't bump into the corners. So hopefully that helps those of you that asked the question. The answer is you can do it either way. These things are absolutely optional. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.